Let's start our topic. Our topic is the friction. In the friction, हम देखेंगे what is friction, limiting of friction, uh, types of friction, angle of friction, coefficient of friction, angle of friction, laws of friction और कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स भी देखेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम देखेंगे what is friction. When a body slides or tends to slide on a surface on which it is resting, a resting force opposing the motion is produced at the contact surface. This resisting force is called friction. Next is limiting friction. The maximum friction force that can be developed at the contact surface when body is just on the point of moving is called limiting force of friction. Next is type of friction. First one is the static friction. Frictions experienced by a body when it is at rest position. When the body is at rest position is called static friction. Next is dynamic friction. Friction experienced by a body when it is in motion. Dynamic friction means body at motion. In simple words, is called dynamic friction. Next is sliding friction. Friction experienced by a body when it slides over another body. When it slides over another body is called sliding friction. इसके वर्ड में ही आंसर है स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन. स्लाइड्स ओवर अनदर बॉडी. नेक्स्ट इज रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन. फ्रिक्शन एक्सपीरियंस बाय अ बॉडी when it rolls over another body is called rolling friction. इसके भी वर्ड्स में इसका डिफाइन है. Rolling means rolls over another body. It's called rolling friction. Look at images that can give you idea for understanding. First is no motion, etc. Next is angle of friction. The angle between normal reaction and the resultant force is called angle of friction. It is also called a limiting angle of friction. Next is coefficient of friction. The ratio of limiting friction F and the normal reaction N is called coefficient of friction. The given formula is mu is equal to F upon N. F is stand for frictional force, friction force. N is equal to normal reaction. Next is angle of repose. With increase in angle of the inclined surface, the maximum angle at which body starts sliding down is called as angle of repose. By mistakenly friction. Next is laws of friction. Laws of static friction. The friction force always acts in a direction opposite to that in which the body tends to move. The magnitude of friction force is equal to the external force. F is equal to P. The ratio of limiting friction F and normal reaction N is constant. F by N is equal to mu. The friction force does not depend upon the area of contact between the two surfaces. The friction force depends upon the roughness of the surfaces. Next is laws of dynamic friction. The friction force always acts in a direction opposite that in which the body is moving. जब कोई भी बॉडी मूव करती है उसके ऑपोजिट फ्रिक्शन है, फोर्स अप्लाई किया होता है. The ratio of limiting friction F and the normal reaction is constant, and it is known as coefficient of friction mu. For moderate speeds, the friction force remains constant, but it decreases slightly with the increase of speed. Next, we will see numericals. First one example is, in the horizontal starting area for a bobsleigh race, 4 athletes with a combined mass of 295 kg need a horizontal force of 41 Newton on forward direction to get the 350 kg sled to start moving. Calculate the coefficient of static friction. Let's watch some formula for important for numericals. Fs is equal to force of static friction. Mu s is equal to coefficient of static friction. N is equal to normal force. What will we see? Fm mg meter gram is equal to 350 kilogram into 9.81 meter per second square. What is 9.81? G is equal to 9.81. G stands for gravity. Is equal to 3.1 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. It is multiplication and it is n. Next is static friction is equal to 41 Newton. We have to find coefficient of static friction. Then formula is equal to mu s is equal to static friction upon Newton Bohr. Fs is equal to Fm. Mu s is equal to 41 Newton to 3 point into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Then the answer is 0.01